Hi guys, create a succulent wall plants for outdoor space is an excellent way to enhance the aesthetic appear of your gardening patio or balcony. Succulent are idea for wall plant then request minimize water and main interest make theme perfect for vertical gardening with the right tool, material, and a bit of create. You can build a beautiful, functionally and centrability wall plants to showcase their vertical plants belong is a step by step guess on how to create your own succulent wall plants in cabin type for main interest and design. Benefit of a succulent wall plant. Before divide into this step in importance to understand what a succulent wall plant is a great adds to your outdoor space. Space save. Vertical plants maximize the use of space, make theme perfect for smart outdoor area like valleys or patio. Low main interest, succulent or hard door plants then with minimize care make theme idea for by gardening or those in claim aesthetic appear. Succulent come in a various of shape, color and textile allow you to create a various and vibrant display. Centrability. Growing plants. Vertical can to Arabic gardening help to ready head in area, air quality and sport material your needs. Before start the project gardening the follow material to build your succulent bulb gardening wood frame. Choose a wood frame such as showdown box, photo frame to customize build wood box that in deep to hold salt and plants. Salt. Succulent request valve salt you can beach or succulent salt max or make your owner you buy combine request pots solved with sand and request. Step by step installing. Build or choose your frame. Start by select or build a frame for your succulent bulb. The frame while attack as the foundation for your plants and should be solved to hold the weight of plants and water. You can use Ashoka's box, wood, picture frame, or even build your awning box with wood, water. If you can want a more rustic or natural look, you can use reclaimed wood or craft wood to build frame. If the plants will be placed outdoor that the wood to withstand water consider that the break. One, you have your frame, you need attach of salt break to hold the salt in place. Cut a price of wood to metal that match the size of your frame and attach and use gum. This back well provides salt from out the back of your plant when it's memo on the wall. Add succulent. Now come the fine place attach the succulent. Start by layout outdoor your plants or cuts to give